We have two different helicopters. We call it as multicopters because they have a lot of engines on it. This one is Hexacopter. That means there are 6 engines. And here we have 4. Quadcopter. And this one is more advanced when we compare with this one, and it has on its interface, and it's connected to the computer. We can use it manual with this controller, and also we can use the interface to communication, and we can manage the thing with computer. So we have special sensors on it. We have sonar, temperature sensor, telemetry, and a lot of different devices. And it's these are compatible with our main board, so we can change whatever we want. And it has
the idea, Shari, here is like, you know, all those telemetry he was talking about, but also the most important thing is that it will have the camera I was telling you about, right? Both actually can carry the cameras, and hopefully the ultimate goal is to have all of these, the aerial, the ground, as well as the underwater. There is a kit that we're already bought, but we haven't received it yet. It will be here in September, but it's actually an underwater kind of unmanned vehicle, right? We'll be using, and we can also install the camera there because there is waterproof housing for it. So the idea here is that you're collecting all those streams, and hopefully think about it if you have this as a command center. This little device. I was just talking to Quincy today to start researching, developing apps for this touch screen. But the idea is think about it as a command center where you have you are receiving all those real-time data, and you're processing and taking decisions based on that. So you know the aerial images and the ground images.
So you guys built this, or you're implementing it with the computer is the part that...
Are you talking about software or this? He put this together. He put this together, right?
Oh,
we bought the kit, and he put this together, and it came with the software.
Yeah.
But the idea here is that what I'm talking about is the software development part is here, where we can develop that command center or operation, software in a sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
And related to the emergency informatics that we were thinking about, that would be really cool, where we were thinking of this as emergency informatics related, in a sense, where we can do research related to maybe damage assessment. Think about it, you can fly this to take pictures of after hurricanes or something like that, and then you can process it somehow. Because this one is very powerful, actually. This can fly very high. How high?
As a height, there is no limit, but it can
just
fly.
to make sure that you still have you're connected to it, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will go out of the range.
Yeah. This is about the radio channels and how strong your channel support. And it also has 6 engines. That means it's strong, and it can lift maybe 4 kilograms and almost something like that.
That's very, very good payload. That's very good.
This is important for us because we will add gimbal on it and camera, HD camera. This is important because we will work on live stream images. So at the same time we can see the view right when we will get the view with our live stream application. The main thing is that we will develop the interface, the program.
We're not there yet, but that's what he will be working on. How to integrate all of these and develop the software that will be able to get all those screens and allow us some sort of feedback if we can.
Okay.
With flying those things.
Integrate this to the parking system and fly
That,
from parking.
I thought you don't like, using apps while you're driving. Okay.
No. I mean, not not
Yes.
just depend on the stationary cameras or cameras.
True,
but
true,
you can
true. That
do
can be very
surveillance
interesting.
yourself.
Yes. Yeah, why not? Yeah.